The interior is well done, and like all Tremors, there are bronze finishes everywhere and the Tremor is embroidered on the seats. Gauges can be configured for driver info controlled from the steering wheel. High on the dashboard is a simple but well-functioning 8-inch touchscreen. You run all audio, Bluetooth, apps, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The center console houses a round gearshift knob and buttons for drive modes, traction control, and all-wheel drive settings. If you're a fan of cubby holes, they are everywhere in this vehicle, and the center console has a great place to put your phone where you can see it while driving. The Maverick also has more passenger space than expected, with comfortable rear seats for most adults, though we wish there was HVAC ventilation in the rear. Prices start at $31,665 for the XLT test, which features a unique Tremor fabric upholstery, and $35,165 for the Lariat, which has ActiveX synthetic leather and unlocks available features like satellite radio and adaptive cruise control. Rear seat space is better than one would expect in a small truck. Rear seat passengers get a USB port and power outlet. The rear seats fold down and have storage underneath for valuables.